If you love faux flowers, you are in the right spot. Today's video, I'm doing a fun Temu faux flower haul. I love faux flowers so much, and I've got a big box of goodies to share with you guys and some hacks along the way that I use to get that super realistic look. I actually heard about Temu through my older daughter when it was approaching her birthday, and she brought me the app that she was all excited that I needed to download. And I'm sure she heard about it from some other YouTuber, and she was really excited. And she had picked out all these things she wanted for her birthday, so we did like a big Temu haul for her birthday, and I was really surprised. The quality was good, and the shipping was pretty fast considering it's coming from like overseas. And honestly, I was pretty sold on it at that point. So when they reached out to me later on and they said, hey, do you want to do a collaboration? I was like, yeah, let's do it. I wanted to see first and foremost what their flower selection looked like, because I know that Michael's and Dollar Tree and all these craft stores are sourcing their flowers from overseas. Like, we know that. So it's like maybe you're cutting out the middleman a little bit here. I don't know, but I was also curious what the quality would be like. For me, when it comes to like staging furniture and stuff like that, I like to have a wide variety of florals on hand. And of course, I love to stage with real flowers whenever I can, but artificial flowers really come in handy as what I do, trying to update spaces and stuff. And it can bring a lot of life to a room to have some greenery in there. So I was really curious what the quality would be like. And, it's not, you have like Ethan Allen quality faux florals, which are really top of the line, and they're going to cost you like hundreds of dollars for an arrangement. Then you have something like Michael's would be a little bit more midline or Target. And then you have Dollar Tree flowers, right? So I feel like these are in line with Target and Michael's quality of flowers, probably a little bit more on like the Target side. So these, I didn't order anything that was super expensive either. I tended to pick on the Temu website. I just picked the stuff that was super cheap so that I could get a lot of variety to go through for the video. And speaking of Temu, you guys can download the app through my link below and get a $100 coupon bundle for free, which is a really sweet deal. And you guys can pick out anything from home goods to faux flowers like I did, or you could even do, I got some paint brushes and some other craft supplies, which you guys will see in another video as well. And I'm going to link everything below so that you guys can click on the actual items that you see in today's video. One of my favorites from the order was the Merrill Off-White Orchid that you see me messing around with here. I like the size of it because this is a small little vase, and they were all a little bit smaller, and that like off-white color, I feel like it is just good with any season and will transition from fall to even like all through Christmas decor and stuff really well. And I like to have it like a little bit on the side, and I loved how it had a difference in like some flowers that were bloomed, and then it had these other little bits that were the closed buds. So I was a really big fan of that one. For today's video and this order, I just ordered a lot of different flowers so that I could check them out and see what I like. So that one that I just did would be pretty with a lot more of them in a vase or something along those lines. So I think I'm going to order the ones that were my favorites, and I'll put those in the top of the description. I'll put my favorites, like my favorite 5 or 10, and you guys will know which ones I like the most. These were absolutely adorable. I loved these little, I don't know what you want to call them, but the color, it was just so cute and on trend, and I could just move them around, and it came with a ton in just the one little package. So I think I'll order some more of those, because I actually was playing around with it in the brass bowl, and I really liked the look of that. It was, yeah, that was really, really cute. And so I think I'll probably order 2 more bunches of those to get the look I'm going for in that bowl. And perfect for fall, right? I was really loving this like daisy wildflower type, just big arrangement here. And because they all, come shipped in a package, they all come straight and stiff. And so it really helps to bend all the little bits that you can to give it that more organic shape. And so it is a bit time consuming, and, you have to play around with it to find the perfect look. But it is so pretty. And we saw so many of these like daisies, these white daisies in the spring this year. And I think it's going to be the same next spring as well. I think we're going to see a lot of wildflowers, and especially like these white type of daisy, I guess, wildflowers. They're just so pretty and so like happy. You feel like it's happy when you walk into a room and you see an arrangement like this. I really like how the daisies turned out, especially adding the water gives it that more realistic look. And it just, I don't know, when I see daisies, it just brightens my mood. All right, next up, I have this vessel that I thrifted. It actually came with a faux orchid in it, but I ripped that out like a year ago. And I've had this sitting around. And then these are some roses that I ordered for another project. I actually got these off of Amazon. I'll link those as well. But I think Temu has something similar. But these are from Amazon, and they are just so beautiful. You guys know I had been on the hunt for a very good rose, something that didn't have a greenish tint to it. I wanted something that was just really creamy and off-white, but not yellow. And this is just, these are perfect. So I've been really excited and wanting to put these in an arrangement. But I think I need to order some more, because I did this like small arrangement that where it looks like those flower rose bowls, you know, that you see on the more expensive websites and stuff. And I love this. I love how it turned out. It's really, really cute and pretty. But I do feel like I need like a bigger one. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think I need like twice as many roses and twice the size of vessel. But for a small little guy, this is so cute. It would be so cute next to a bed on your nightstand next to, I mean, like, how cute would that be? I really like these roses a lot. I'm a big fan. So we have one final arrangement I'm going to do here. Red, I've been seeing red everywhere from my favorite like designers and websites and blogs and stuff. I've been seeing red florals, and fall is coming. I think we're going to see even more. And so I'm going to hop on the trend and get some of these going. I think these were thrifted, these little red things that I have there. They have little foam balls. They're not from Temu, not from Amazon or anything like that. I had them sitting around and just was waiting for the perfect opportunity, and today was it. And I just bent them up. I'll find something similar and link it for you guys, but these are just so cute. I actually like them a lot more in the hammered brass bowl than I did in a vase. They just filled it out so nicely, and they're just so cute. I really like it. Today was so much fun. Thanks for coming along with me and doing all these arrangements. Now I have all these fun arrangements to stage my furniture and use to update spaces. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.